Some final remarks, some final things I have. It's very important to have independent thought. You should not be driven by what I am saying today. You should really take what I am saying, take what is right for you, what is not right for you, give it some thought. It's not that you are working as an architect and everything else doesn't matter for you. Money, your money is your money, right? Your reason you are earning money is to get out of rat race in the future. The problem is that we don't think independently and we are all moving in a rat race. But there's a very important saying that in a rat race, even if you win, you are still a rat. Right? So you need to move out, and the only way you can move out is to let your money go for you. You don't need to work for your money throughout your life. And of course, if you think you can't independently, you are right. You will never think independently. There's this concept or saying from Warren Buffett that try to be fearful when others are greedy. It's like doing the opposite of what others are doing, because 99% of people are all doing foolish things. They are trading, they are speculating in the stock market, they are trading with your money, right? Don't do it. When stock markets are bad, when everyone is saying it's an ice age of stock markets, things are not going to improve, that's the time you are going to invest if you want to make money. Not just in stocks, even gold or property. People say here property it's a bad time. I can't, they can still fall further. Of course they can fall further. But you are getting things at a very reasonable, cheap price. Go and invest. Become greedy when others are fearful. And become fearful when others are greedy. 2008, stock market 21,000. People were saying 25,000. When people start to say these things, and when you hear about stocks from your panwala or your restaurant guy or your local train or everywhere, right? So it's, you know, it's time to sell your stocks and mutual funds and become fearful because people are greedy. Very important. Do the contrary. It's very easy to succeed in stock markets or investing. Don't do what others are doing. Do the opposite. Not just because you want to do the opposite, but understand that you are doing something right. You are not trying to, because in stock markets or finance, people really move in a herd. Right? Ekne ka, so this is right. And they don't think. As I said, they buy things like groceries, not like perfumes. Buy things like perfumes. Take some time, think, ask questions. This is for our lives. Hard work, honesty, if you keep it, will get you almost everything. Also more money in the future. A graph, very important graph, I really show it to young people, investors. In a different graph, I've already showed you. If you want to become a crorepati, yeah, and if you have only 5,000 rupees to invest every month now, right? What is the rate of interest you need to earn to become that crorepati? If you are 25 years of age and you want to retire at 50 years of age, you need to grow your money only at around 12-13% per year to become that crorepati. The older you get, if you are say 35 years of age and your retirement is only 15 years down the line at 50 years age, yeah, you need to earn around 30% or 25-26% return per year to become that crorepati. So the longer you wait, the more the return you need to earn on your investments. And if you have just 5 years, 45 years of age, and you retire at 50, only 5 years, and you can invest only 5,000 rupees. Abhi 45 पे याद आया कि यार invest किया ही नहीं, retirement आ गया. Go to a casino. You can't invest and become a crore. You need to go to a casino. So the best time to invest is now. The best time to start investing is now. People start investing when they become this or become this. Yeah, so don't wait for these things to happen. Start doing it now. It's always in the now. You don't need to wait. I've talked about this. The best time to start investing when you're young. The more time you have, the more time you give to your money to compound, the better it is for you. The earlier you will reach to your financial goals, the more comfortable journey you will have. Start preparing for prosperity. How much money you will make will not determine. How much you are earning will not determine your prosperity. How much you are going to save and invest out of that will determine your prosperity. How much you will be saving. Yeah. I'm talking about a small story now. And it gives you one more reason to really start investing, right? It's about God's creation. So God created a donkey and said, you will be donkey, you will work untiring for years, carrying burden, you will have more intelligence. I give you 50 years to live. Anyone has heard the story? I'll give you 50 years to live. Donkey says, to live 50 years is too much. I just need 20 years of life. Okay, the God granted the wish. Then the God created a dog, saying that you will guard the house of the man. You will eat whatever scrap he gives you, and you will live for 30 years. The dog says, to live 30 years is too much. just give me 15 years of life. The god grants the wish. Then the god created the monkey, saying you will be a monkey swing from branch to branch doing tricks, right? And you will live 20 years. The monkey said, to live 20 years is too much, just give me 10 years of my life. God granted the wish. Then came the man. The god said, you will be the man, you will be the most rational creature on earth, the most intelligent, and everything in the world will be in control. I will give you 20 years to live. The man said, because he was rational, he said 20 years is too less for me. Give me 30 years that the donkey refused, 15 years that the dog refused, and 10 years which the monkey refused. And the god granted the wish. The result? A man lives 20 years as a man when his child is born. 30 years as a donkey, working senselessly. Yeah. Then 15 years as a dog, guarding the house because he's old. So kids are out and he's guarding the house. And 10 years as a monkey doing tricks for his grandchildren. Right? So that's 75 years of age. The reason you want to save and invest, you don't want to live such a life. You want to live a life for a man or for 75 man or woman for 75 years, not as a dog, donkey or a monkey. Don't expect your children to do something for you. Yeah, that's life. Don't expect your children to do something for you. You have to create your own life. You have to eat, drink, drive, invest responsibly. There's no other way. People say that mera beta will dhyan rakhega, yeah? Something like that. Son is like considered like something. Yeah, a lot of functions when a son is born. So it's really sad. But yeah, your children might do well for you. That's fine. But don't expect, because things go wrong when you expect and the expectations are not met. And you don't want to live like lives of a dog, donkey, and monkey, right? For 45 years, 55 years, and only 20 years when you're a man, when you are born, you don't understand anything till 20 years. That your life as a man is gone. So to live like a man throughout 75 years, you need to save and invest, because you don't need to depend on anyone.